So I'm going to do a quick clip about this butterfly bush. It is glass slippers, I think it's called. Look at the pretty blue, soft, velvety new leaves. And I already trimmed some, so this looks good. Let's see. Don't want to leave the flowers because it can be invasive in some areas. So you just clip them. Use your nails or clippers and just go down. Like I'm going here because there's new growth right there. You can see little tiny leaves coming up. Hard to focus on them, but then they grow to something like that, and then flowers come out. And here you can see where I cut it earlier this year, and then this stem grew with leaves and then new baby leaves. And then in the springtime, this is what you'll see. It's always late spring though, so if you don't see new growth at first, don't give up, because it will come and it will be worth it. But in the spring, usually I just cut it down, but right now, I don't know. It's hard for me to trim things. So here's another old flower, and I don't know, none of that's pretty, so I'm just gonna go down to here and cut it, and now it's nice and clean. Looks like nothing even happened. We'll just pull off old leaves. So you can see old leaf, new leaves. There's some old leaves. You don't have to do this, they're going to fall off by themselves. We're probably going to end up cutting the whole stem off anyway. But yeah, this is a new bush, we planted it last year.